Hey guys, today I'm proud to present this 2013 Chery Tiggo. I hope I pronounced that right. Chinese car. And this is going to be full in-depth tour of the Tiggo. We'll start up, show the engine, go on some performance details, show you a bunch of the interesting features in the exterior as well as interior. And so, here's the key. Flip key. Let's start the engine, let it on for a while. Lock and lock. Chery Tiggo. And please do forgive me if I'm not pronounced that right. Wide opening doors, it's almost like 90 degree. Q-tone interior. Three-spoke design, multifunctional steering wheel with little grips. 5-speed manual. This portion is illuminated. Fire start up. A very quiet engine, by the way. Comes equipped with hydraulic assist power steering, rocking pinion, very fluid. Manual tilt only to adjust this lever right there. Right now, it's in the headlight, high beam, front rear fog light, as well as headlights. All four windows in this car are automatic down only. To roll them up, just hold. Right now, let's open the hood and take a look at the engine. Roof rails, and this car missing power moonroof, chrome accent window frames, and here's your antenna, decklet spoiler with the brake light, rear defrosting glass, rear wiper, your spare tire, LED tail lights, strip right here. Rear fog light, single exhaust, rear parking assist, license plate lights, this car definitely reminds me of the Toyota RAV4. Seven-spoke, 16-inch alloy wheels, tires measuring 235/60 with 4-wheel disc brakes, light flaps, running board, Turn signal indicators on the fenders. Heated windshield wipers in this area. Projector halogen headlamps, LED daytime running lights, fog light, chrome exiting grille, This car has inline 4, 16 valve, 1.6 liter natural aspirated engine. It produces 126 horsepower. Maximum speed of 175 km per hour. 0 to 6 time is 14 seconds. Combined fuel consumption for this car is around 8 liter per 100 km. The car is front wheel drive. Especially I like those headlights. And right now, guys, we take a good look at the exterior. Let's take a good look at the interior portion. Solid doors, 2-tone door panels, fake aluminum trim, it's all plastic, soft armrest, your central lock, power windows, power window lock, door lights, storage bottle holder, speaker. This car has 4 speakers. Also 2 airbags for the passenger and for the driver, adjustable seat belt and a headrest, fully manual driver seat, standard seat height, recline and sliding right there. Left, right, power mirrors, they also heated, up and down. By the way, huge mirrors, brightness of instrument cluster and height headlights, light indicator controls and huge intimate wiper control. But now let's see what kind of noise this car produces. Free revving engine. Very nice. Digital clock and odometer, your fuel and temperature. Not bad at all. The audio controls, volume, seek, different modes, and also fake aluminum trim right here. As you can see, 2-tone plastic. Audio with CD, MP3 compatible, USB, 4 speakers. For the factory audio, provides reasonable quality. Volume, CD, band, USB, mute, seek, 6 customizable station, tuning, scan, USB port right there. For the fog light, down here you can find your easy to use climate control, temperature, fan speed, and of course your different modes, including front defrost, rear defrost, recycle settings and air conditioning. Ladder, or you can use this apart with window smoke, and of course storage. Ashtray here prohibited. Beautiful central console. Storage right here. Chrome accent on the top and right here. 5-speed manual. Very direct shift. Very light shifter and reverse. Beautiful. Very light e-brake, 2 cup holders, removable ashtray, central console, tier, good size storage, quad holder, auto dim rear view mirror with compass, sun visors, map lights, sunglass container, it's also padded, vanity mirror, handles are stationary, build quality and all the materials are pretty nice. You can find hard touch almost everywhere, and especially I like this 2-tone plastic. Thigh support is more than enough. I'm 6'3" myself, my headroom is pretty good. Very nicely equipped Chinese car. Right now, let's shut her down. Let's grab the key and continue to store. In this car, like I mentioned before, missing power sunroof. As an option, you can get power sunroof, fuel cap release. Quite easy to get in and out. Also 2 10-door panels, fake aluminum trim, soft armrest, power windows, bottle holder, your speaker, back seats easy to fold to increase more cargo space, adjustable headrest, and there is no armrest. I'm 6'3" myself. Once again, my legroom and my headroom is pretty good. Solid doors. Storage pocket, little ashtray, storage. I think that second row is suitable for 3 adult, that's for sure. Your illumination. Handles are stationary, like I mentioned before. Pretty simple and at the same time modern interior. I guess nothing to complain about. Quite nice. And trunk space is pretty good. You can remove the shelf. Storage right here. And right there. Hug. Pretty good sized trunk. Emergency triangle. Toolkit and jack. Illumination. And here's your fuel cap. And you can find same manual adjustment for the passenger seat, except seat height. 12-volt outlet. Average size glove compartment. Storage for the driver, and also heated seats to stage high and low for the passenger and for the driver. and the build quality has truly impressed me. Well guys, hope you enjoy my in-depth look at this 2013 brand new Chery Tiggo. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, should catch me next time, so that's where it came from. Thanks for watching and have a good one guys.